Hey everyone! If you're someone who spends a lot of time sitting at a desk, driving, or simply dealing with everyday back tension and stress, I honestly think you're really going to like this product. Today I want to show you this amazing back massager that has genuinely helped me relieve a lot of back tension and discomfort. I've been using it for several weeks now, and it's honestly become part of my daily routine. This is a back massager with heat and vibration, and after trying it myself, I can honestly say the experience feels surprisingly similar to sitting in an actual massage chair, but without needing one of those huge and expensive massage chairs taking up space in your home. Since I spend most of my day working at my desk, after several hours I usually start feeling a lot of tension in my back, shoulders, and lower back area. That's why I wanted to try something like this, and honestly, it's helped me relax so much at the end of the day. Let me show you everything that comes in the box. Unboxing everything is super easy, nothing complicated at all, and you don't need any tools or extra hardware to put it together. The instruction manual is also very easy to read and understand. This is the headrest, and as you can see, it has this Velcro strap on the back so it can attach securely to the massage pad and stay in place while you're using it. I like that it feels really soft and comfortable when leaning your head back while still holding its shape really well. So even though the material feels supportive and durable, it doesn't feel hard or uncomfortable at all. This is the intensity control flap, and honestly, it makes a huge difference. Basically, it helps reduce some of the massage pressure if you want a softer and more comfortable massage experience. Without the flap, the massage feels much stronger and deeper, especially around the lower back and shoulder areas. Personally, I like using it whenever I want something more relaxing and less intense. It's also really easy to attach because it sticks quickly to the massager using the Velcro strap it comes with, so it stays firmly in place and doesn't move or fall off while you're using it. Here you can see the control panel. This is where you manage all the different functions of the massager, including the massage zones, vibration, intensity, and heat settings. Later in the video, I'll show you each function in more detail. And over here we have the power cable. It simply plugs directly into the massager and then into the wall outlet. Honestly, setup is really simple. And finally, here's the massager itself. As you can see, it has a very padded and flexible design, so it adapts really well both to the chair and to the shape of your back when you sit down. It features 4 deep kneading massage nodes that move up and down your back while the massager is running. It also includes these adjustable straps that help secure the massager to the chair, whether it's an office chair, recliner, or pretty much any other type of chair. That way it stays firmly in place and doesn't constantly move around while you're using it. It also has this convenient side pocket where you can store the control panel when you're not using it, which helps keep everything organized and within reach. When it's turned on, you can really feel the massage nodes slowly traveling across your entire back, giving a sensation that honestly feels really similar to an actual Shiatsu massage. The material itself also feels comfortable and good quality, combining this soft mesh fabric with leather-like finishes that give it a more premium look. And something I personally like is that it doesn't feel overly stiff or uncomfortable to sit on, even before turning it on. Setting it up on my chair was honestly very easy. It doesn't require any kind of assembly with tools or extra parts. I simply placed it on my office chair and used the adjustable straps on the back to secure it into place. After plugging everything in, it was ready to use. Once it's attached, it stays pretty firmly in place. It doesn't constantly slide around or move while you're sitting on it, which is something I really appreciate because you don't have to keep adjusting or repositioning it every few minutes. I personally use it mostly on my office chair since that's where I spend most of my time, but you can also use it on the couch while watching TV, and honestly, I can imagine this feeling amazing on a recliner. Now let's take a look at how it actually works. I'm going to quickly walk you through the control functions, which are honestly very simple and easy to understand. Of course, it has the power button right here. You turn it on, and the massager immediately starts working. At the top, you have the buttons for selecting the massage area. The full back button activates the massage across the entire back, while upper back focuses on the upper area like the shoulders and upper back, and lower back focuses more on the lumbar and lower back area. Here in the center, you have these arrows that allow you to manually move the massage nodes up or down, so you can better position the massage depending on your height or the exact area you want to focus on. There's also the spot button, which keeps the massage focused on one area instead of moving up and down. Down here, you'll find the seat vibration settings. It has 3 vibration intensity levels: low, medium, and high for vibration around the hips and thighs. The heat boron activates the heating function of the massager. As you can see, the massage nodes light up red as soon as the heat function is activated, while continuing to move up and down your back performing the massage. The heat really helps make the massage feel much more relaxing and comfortable, especially in areas where there's more muscle tension. Personally, I feel like this feature makes the entire experience feel a lot more soothing while the nodes travel across the different areas of the back. Down here you also have the timer, which lets you set massage sessions for 5, 10, or 15 minutes depending on how long you want to use it. By default, it always starts at 15 minutes, and honestly, that's usually the setting I use most of the time. You can store the control panel inside the side pocket to keep everything more organized. Although if you're like me and use it almost every day, I usually just leave it wrapped around the arm of the chair so it's always within reach. So yeah, after using it for several weeks, I honestly think this is one of those products that can make a huge difference, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting down or simply enjoy relaxing at the end of the day. I like that it's easy to use, comfortable, and easy to move from one chair to another. So if you're looking for something to help relieve tension or discomfort in your back, shoulders, or lower back, or you simply want a relaxing massage at the end of the day, I honestly think this massager could help you a lot. I definitely recommend checking it out.